Assalamu-Alaikum, my dear viewers. How are you today? How is everyone keeping? I hope and I pray, inshallah, that you're all keeping well. By the mercies of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you are doing okay. We must pray for that, inshallah. And I make special du'as for all of you out there, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for you in your daily lives, and take care of you when there's issues, and make everything easier for you, inshallah. And for those that are happy, may He continue to keep you happy. And for those that are having trials, may He give you the sabr, the patience to deal with those trials, inshallah. Inshallah, inshallah. Ameen, ameen, swami. And please, my viewers, when you hear my du'as, you say ameen. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can bestow all those blessings on all of us, inshallah. Well, welcome to my channel, Hijabs and You and Me. I am so happy to be here today. I've got this really beautiful, beautiful scarf on. I just love it. I went looking, I got some good news over the weekend on a family news, that it's a beautiful news, alhamdulillah, by the mercies of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And my sister took her shopping and she bought me this beautiful scarf. Not that I need it, I have so many, but I couldn't resist it. I had to share it with you and show you this full coverage and show you how beautiful. It's so light and so easy for the weather we're having. So even though it looks bulky, it's so breathable. Like, it's so beautiful, and it's full coverage, and it is beautiful, and it's a very quick wrap. And I want to show you today how I have achieved this look, and I want you to stay with me and just experience this look so you can try it. Make sure you try it. It's so easy, so simple, very minimal pins, just an easy wrap. So my dear viewers, please stay with me, and please, if you like the contents of this video, hit the like button. And I'm asking you, please, always, please share it with your friends and family. If you can share this link to my channel to your friends and family, and one of them, just one of them, get the urge to do better, or to put a hijab on, or they benefit from this channel in some ways, you will be blessed. And trust me, like I say many times, we need to fill the bucket up, because every chance that we lose to magnify our blessings is a chance lost. So you have a chance. Share this channel. There's a lot of good things on my channel for all of you. There's something for everyone. So share it with your friends and family. And please, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe. There's no charge for it. There's no subscription charges. You just hit the subscribe. All you need to do is have a Gmail account, and you just hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon, and tick off the all. So you will get a notification of every time I upload. And I've been uploading, alhamdulillah, so far, besides a day or two, for whatever reason that I couldn't, I have uploaded a video every single day, alhamdulillah, by the mercies of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So just hit the subscribe button and stay with me as I show you this beautiful look and how I achieve it. So my dear viewers, I'm going to show you how I got that beautiful, just simple, elegant look. And it's supposed to be very quick and very easy. So let's get to it right away. I've got this beautiful rectangular shawl. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful for the weather. And what I'm going to do, I've got my ninja on, is a very light one, so the hair is showing through in the back, so I wouldn't show you that, but it's giving me nice coverage. It's cotton, and so it's perfect for this shawl because it's a see-through. If you can see, it's see-through. So what I've done is I've folded it a bit there. I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to take it in the back. Okay. And I'm just going to pin it in the back. Every time I pin in the back, I always have a problem. Why? Because you're working from it from behind. Anyway, so we got that done. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this little, the shorter side, and I'm going to cover it. Bring it over here and put a little, I'm just going to put a safety pin here. So this is all covered. And let's get that safety pin in there. And now what I'm going to do with this one here, this side, is I'm going to bring this over, and I'm going to bring the whole, I'm also looking for full coverage, so bear with me. See that? I've already got full coverage in the front with that. So this one here, I'm just going to bring that over. I'm telling you, it's just a simple and look that I want to show my sisters how we can achieve a hijab, making it look beautiful with very minimal work, okay? Minimal work, and you can get this most beautiful look. We want full coverage. I want everything to be covered, and all I'm doing is bringing this one over. See that? Simple. Bring it with some folds so it looks nice and neat. And we're going to bring that over here, and I'm just going to pin it exactly where the other one was pinned. So bear with me. We're just going to put a stick pin there. I'm not sure I like how that wrapped. So let's do this again. Let's try this again. See, that's much better. Just have to hold it in place while you're bringing it over, so you don't lose. And as we bring the hijab over, we're just gonna put it exactly where the other pin is. I'm gonna use another stick pin. Just get that in place. Now, let's fit the front to make sure that it is covered nicely. We're looking for full coverage. Really, it's so beautiful. And remember, it's minimal work. It's a very quick hijab tutorial. I'm just trying to show all my sisters out there who wants to wear the hijab, how you can wear it and don't have to worry about it being, you know, it's not, don't have to worry about fussing with it. Nothing to fuss about, nothing to be afraid of. It's simple. And I'm going to pin that up a little bit differently because I'm not sure I like it. You know what it is? It's cotton and it's beautiful shawl, and every so often with the weather my hands perspire. So when it perspires and I'm bringing it over, it will stick onto it. See, it's a little bit it's something that's been with me from birth, my mom says, you know, and it's something you have to work with. These are things, when you're giving something from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you just have to know how to handle it. And it's a simple tutorial. It doesn't need much. I haven't pinned it anywhere. I've just given it one pin in the back, and I've pinned it here. And there's no need to pin that because it's so nice and tight, because we pin it in the back. It's really give it that nice uniform look there. See that? And we've got full coverage, my dear. Total full coverage. On the back, we are covered in the back. We are nicely covered in front. And now I'm going to show you. Now, remember, we are in a situation in life, this time that we're living in, we have no choice. We have to do what is necessary. And right now, it is compulsory for us to wear a mask. There's no question about that. When you leave the house and you get out there, when you're getting into, you know, even the shops or even the salons, wherever you're going, even to work, you gotta put a mask on. It's important. So now, with us being hijabis, it is just so simple. We don't have to worry if we forgot the mask at home. It's simple. All I ask you, always, always, always put 2 safety pins in your purse. And if you want to make it easier when you put your hijab on in the morning, simple. Take one of these, take one of these, okay? And just pin it in the corner of your hijab. It doesn't show, it's just hanging there in case you have to go out there. Now this one here, if you want to pull that over as your mask, it's easy. It's not difficult at all. I'm going to show you how we can make this into a mask. And basically, like I said, you use one of these safety pins, any one of those. You just pin it at the corner of your scarf and leave it. It doesn't bother you. If you don't need to, you've got your hijab on. But if you need to put a niqab, you know, just to put a mask on, what we're going to do is simple. Just take the extra piece that's hanging here in the front, and we're going to bring it across here. Simple, very easy, very easy. And it's doubled, so you are getting enough coverage that you should with your mask. Pull it across and simply use your safety pin and pin it there. It is as simple as that. And no one is going to stop you from going into the stores if you are covered. And you've got a mask, you've got your hijab, you still have full coverage, and now you're covered with your mask. See how simple that was? So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made it very easy for us. You know, we're hijabis, we're niqabis. We don't have to worry about the mask. No. If you want to just leave it as your hijab, simple. I'm going to repeat the process. Just take off your pin, you've got your hijab going. And if you need to, I told you, just use a safety pin, hang it in the bottom, like just pin it there as you leave the home so you have it. If you need to get out there, you need to put a mask on if you're getting into the shop. Simple, just pull your hijab, make sure you got it, like it sits there and with a bit of double in it. So just pull it over there and simple. You use your safety pin and you pin it. And you have got coverage. My viewers, I hope you like that. I hope you're going to, you know, take my advice. When you wear a hijab in the morning, put a safety pin at the bottom of the scarf, and there will be no need for you to worry about your mask, about not having a mask. You are going to be covered, and it's simple how you pull it across and cover yourself. I hope you like that, and if you do like that, please share it with your friends and family. It's important. Share it with your friends and family so that everyone will get the idea of how they can use their hijab covered as a mask. Please do share it. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button, please. And click on the bell icon and tick the all. I hope you enjoy that. I hope you like that. And if you did, it's important that you share it. See how simple that is? And this is gorgeous. We still have full coverage. We are covered completely. And it's such a beautiful shawl. Beautiful shawl. And we have coverage and we have a mask at the same time. So there you go. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made it so easy for us. My viewers, please, I hope you're going to share that. Please do stay safe. Take care of yourself. Take care of your families. And please remember to keep 𝗪𝗁 in your du'as. Please keep 𝗪𝗁 and her family in your du'as. As I keep you, my family from this forum, you're all family. And you're all in my du'as every day. And I pray Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us all and strengthen us all in faith and protect us all. Inshallah. Ameen, ameen, summa ameen. So until we meet again, do stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Assalamu alaikum.